Alright guys, how you doing? Brett here for TopoRanger. Welcome to another adventure. We just hiked a 1.5 miles in from Cold Cabin down on the Susquehanna. We're on the Mason-Dixon Trail right now. We're at a spot I've been wanting to come to for a while now, and we're here. We got about 100 feet straight down, it looks like, straight down to the Muddy Creek Gorge. There's the creek, and check this out right here. There's a little flume waterfall. I mean, this is like perfect day, 80 degrees, but it's steep. I didn't realize it was that steep. So there's a trail right here, so let's get down to the water. Okay, I'm about halfway down now. I just wanted to show you guys this. The trail's got some places it has a hand line on it, but see those cliffs? That cliff there? We were up there at the top. And I don't think I was kidding around when I said it's about 100 feet. Now it doesn't go straight down, but it's, follow my hand. It's steep. And there's the little flume. All right, let's get down to the water level and get wet. Get hydrated, then get wet. Aloha, everybody. We made it. This is the last bend before you hit the slack water created by the dam. And look at this spot, guys. Look at that. That's about a 30-foot waterfall right there. Coming down, whew, boom, right into a pothole. You got a big swimming hole right here. Creek coming through. Beautiful day. 80 degrees. Humidity's fine. And it's about 1.5 mile hike from the parking lot. It's some ups and downs though, especially this last part. It's got us coming straight down into the creek. I brought all my gear. I'm going to do some creek crawling today. And just soak it all in after a long depressing winter. Just gonna chill out and have some fun, all right? If you like my stuff, make sure you subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. Follow me. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I don't think there's anybody else here either. All right, so we're gonna, let's take a temp. Looks like we're hitting it right around 60 degrees. So it's the same as it was up in Otter Creek a couple weeks ago. So there you have it. Let's get wet. Woo. Got some kayakers here. Howdy. What's that? You a little diving? Yeah, just swimming around. Cooling off. What does it look like down there? It's kind of murky today. Yeah. Sometimes it's a lot clearer than this, but... Yeah, it's not very clear today. Yeah. How's the kayaking? Yeah. Good? Always a good day. Is this the end for you, right around here? Yeah. Take care, man. Take it easy. Have a good day. All right, well, here we are on the other side of the creek. Water is really nice. For not such a hot day, that's 60 degrees. Really gives it to you, if you know what I mean. That's looking upstream. Some kayakers came through. I'll probably put that in the video. Downstream, we got another set of rapids right here. I want to check out this waterfall. Try to climb up there, see where that comes from up there. Right here, I looked a little bit right here. Didn't see much. The sun is going over that way though, so that's good. So I'm gonna, when I get back from here, we're gonna go over here in this deep channel here, kind of look around, see if we can't find anything interesting. All right. All right, let's go check out this waterfall. Whoa, nice little shelter cave. Hella buggy up here. Oh wow. Check this out. Oh wow. Okay, I brought along my light. Got my handy dandy light here. Oh shit, wow. Look at that. It's a nice size shelter cave. It's got a little passage under there. Oh, some serious bugs though. And here we are. Oh, look at that. Oh. So I'm standing in a little rock enclosure that's right before the waterfall. And this spot, I mean, this spot is really, really quite nice. The waterfall comes down here, shoots right out there. So here's the waterfall. Here's the pocket. Boom. Can't quite see it here. We'll go down in there. Waterfall goes like that. There you go. So we got another chute right here to this one. And that one goes the whole way down. Boom, boom. So I don't know what this is called, this area. And to be honest, the water is kind of cloudy today. It's not very clear. It's not really a good day for creek crawling. But that doesn't matter because it's a good day for hiking. And it's a good day for waterfalls. I love how it shoots out the end there. You see it? It goes. Whoop. It's cool to have. Get a rope up here and rappel down there. Got a little blockage right here. There's actually two little bubbles right here. There's one right here, right before you go over the edge. And then there's a second one right here, and you get a little waterfall going into that. All right, I was looking up the way there, getting ready to go back down. When it hit me, I have looked at this area before in detail, like topography and whatnot, and I had forgotten about this other waterfall. There's another waterfall. I can still see the creek that way. This one, as you can see, probably comes down about 20 feet. And I think up there's a road, but I'm not sure, but that's a private road. You can't go back there. As far as I know, the only way to access these waterfalls is from the Muddy Creek side, the Mason-Dixon Trail side. Look at that. Yeah. Let's see if we can get up there and get a peek around there. There you go. That's gonna call, I call that Mosquito Falls. That's all about mosquitoes. All right, we're back. We made it to the bottom here of Pothole Falls. Oh, it's nice too. And we're back. So I hope y'all enjoyed that little go around I had there. I kind of came here with creek crawling in mind, but the truth is the water is kind of cloudy today, and it's a little bit high, I think, although it does look like it's coming down. So creek crawling really was not the best thing to be done here today. However, the waterfalls back there, the 1, 2, 3 of them, going right up the side of the gorge. Beautiful. I've never been to this spot before. We're downstream of the other locations where I took you guys a creek crawling. The main gorge there, Snap Falls, up where I saw the catfish. I'm not sure how far that is. Maybe a half a mile, quarter mile. I mean, this is a really relaxing spot. I'm glad I came here today because the weather is, the weather is like perfect. So I think I'll have to come back though, because I want to come back here with somebody else and show them this. Maybe come back when the creek is a little lower, a little clearer. I was hoping to see some catfish, big catfish today down the cracks, and I was thinking also in general this last little hurrah here, because this is the last free flowing water you're going to get in the whole creek, because right around the bend here there's a couple more rapids and it goes into the slack water, and there's the water just gets deeper and then it spills out into, I guess, what is it's either the Conowingo Dam or Lake Aldred, or sorry, Conowingo Pool or Lake Aldred. I'm not sure. At this point we might be far enough down that we're in the Conowingo Pool, as in the Conowingo Dam, but I'm not quite sure. So it's just really nice here. The last little bit of the trail though comes straight down, and if you come here, just be careful when you're coming down. There is a hand line some places, but you know how the hand lines are. Are you going to trust a hand line? Just be careful. So if I can get over that, if I can get up this 100-foot cliff basically, or steep slope, then you get to the nub of this little. Basically, if you look at the topo map, it's like a little tongue of land comes out, and this is the very tip of the tongue. The tip of the tongue. That has a nice ring to it. And there's nobody here. It's Sunday, 2:30. The only people I've seen here, probably about 10 kayakers, 8 to 10 kayakers came through while I was, doing the thing. And they just kind of passed through. So I don't know how many people come out here. It's quite a hike from Paper Mill Bridge, and I don't know what's going on with that. I wouldn't park up there still, because I don't know what's going on with that. And it's about a 1.5 mile hike from the parking lot. I'd imagine probably some people from Cold Cabin come up here during the summer. It's probably what most of the people that come here are probably going to be there. And then of course, if the kayakers stop here, check things out, climb up the waterfall. But I don't think this sees that much action. Not nearly as much as up by Snap Falls and the main part of the gorge there, which is closer to the paper mill parking spot, which I don't recommend using because your car will get towed maybe, who knows. That waterfall probably runs even when there's not too much rain. I mean, if there's a drought, it probably goes dry. But even if you were to cut that flow in half, it'd still be a nice little trickle. So I'd imagine all year, you know, all during the summer, this spot right here is going to have that nice sound of falling water and the sun coming down through the leaves. I mean, look at this, man. I'm just blabbing on and blah, 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 blah. So if you had a good time, subscribe, all right? And do all that other stuff too. And you know what I'm talking about, right? All right, as always, loved having you along. Muddy Creek, beautiful spot, beautiful swimming hole, all right? Until next time, this is Brett for TopoRanger, signing out.